In this video, we will see how to reorder or how to move your videos option or media types option towards the top on your Photos application layout. As we all know that the media types or videos are completely below down, right? And if you want to access the videos, we need to come down. Not an easy process, right? So now how to move this category towards top for easy access or how to reorder it. It's very easy. Do one thing. In your application, scroll down till the last. There will be an option called customize and reorder. Just go ahead and tap on that. Okay, once you tap on that, so here if you see, here is a list of all the categories available in your Photos application. So now, like a option like media types, just do one thing. At the right side there are three lines. Okay, just do one thing, just tap on them, hard press it, and automatically move your finger first category or a first position and leave it. So automatically the media types or videos are moved on your top, just below your photos. So now just close it and go back and see your media types or videos will be moved up on a top position for easy access. So guys, like that you can easily reorder or customize the position of album categories in your Photos application after iOS 18. So guys, I hope it helped you. I hope it solved your query, and if yes, then please like the video and subscribe for such videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.